2024 here in Delhi to narrate you the stories of metal industry. And the story which I'm going to tell you today is about the company who has brought 6 new products, new substitutes to the global market when it comes to the metal forming innovations. And I am talking about Energy Mission. So Energy Mission has now the capacity of building 1000 plus machines. They have quite a few good amount of installations across the world, and the substitutes they have built for the global market are the remark to the campaign Make in India. So I can't wait to get you all more information about what is Energy Mission, how they are one of the biggest companies when it comes to providing metal forming solutions. Let's hear more.
Being the India's largest sheet metal forming machinery manufacturer, and after becoming a public limited organization this year, our responsibility towards our customers and investor has increased multifold. To cater and continue the growth trajectory upward, we are expanding not only our production facility, but we are also expanding our sales and service base. So while we are investing a lot of energy resources into modernization of our mother machineries to produce in-house parts for our machines, we are also investing a lot on increasing our reach to the customers where we have not gone yet. So that's why we are participating in a lot of exhibitions. This year we are participating in around 15 exhibitions domestically, and also 4 exhibitions outside of the country. So this year we will be participating in FabTech USA, we will be participating in Europlage, Germany, then Steel Fab UAE, and we had just participated in Indonesia. Our focus is on increasing, giving the proposition, valuable proposition to the customers, which can actually provide them their value for money and the quality product of world-class standards. So we are really working hard on that particular thing, and I'm hopeful that this will actually increase our brand image as well as our reach to the world. We are working on a philosophy of Mr. Modi ji, Make in India and Made for the World.
We are doing a lot of other activities in the companies, like we are enhancing our capacity. Earlier we are making around 900 machines, but right now we are expanding for around 1300 machines. We are expanding our plant, we are expanding the mother machineries, we are expanding even our R&D department, our R&D team. We want to give the better quality, better performance and better service to our customers. This year we are concentrating on these all activities. उसमें हमको अभी हम जैसे एक्सपोर्ट में भी काफ़ी कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो क्वालिटी के ऊपर भी हम काफ़ी ज़ोर दे रहे हैं कि भाई हमारी जो क्वालिटी है वो काफ़ी अच्छी हो. हमने अभी हमारी टीम भी बढ़ाई हुई है, उसमें R&D के लिए भी अभी हमने हमारी टीम को एक्सपांड कर रहे हैं ताकि हम एक बेटर परफॉर्मेंस और एक बेटर क्वालिटी दे सकें. दिस ईयर विल बी डेफिनेटली अ चेंज ओवर फॉर एनर्जी मिशन, and we will come out with definitely very good result.
एनर्जी मिशन की मशीन ली, ये लोग बहुत ठीक हैं और अच्छी वो अपना सर्विस वगैरह सब देते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं आई. एनर्जी मिशन के लोग सबसे बढ़िया हैं और इनके मैकेनिक भी बहुत बढ़िया है, तो टाइम टू टाइम काम करते हैं, कोई दिक्कत कोई परेशानी नहीं आई. मेरे को मशीन बढ़िया चल रही है.
We started this company 25 years back. It was a very humble start with very few products, and today, after 25 years of journey, now we are claiming one of the largest company in India making the sheet metal forming machineries. If we talk about the journey, we started somewhere in '99, and later we have grown multi-folds. If we talk about the product development, we did around 12 different products in last 8 years' time, and last year we got public listed, and this is the only company in India in sheet metal forming machinery which is publicly listed. So we try to focus more on the development, expansion, and trying to acquire a good market share. If we look at the government policies right now, under the strong leadership of Modi ji, there is a lot of emphasis on the Make in India products. So we are also contributing with our small efforts in Make in India, doing import substitution and offering a good product which can replace the Chinese or Turkish products in India. I look at the market size, and we are interacting with a lot of customers regularly, like in AMTEX and other exhibitions. And what we understand right now, what I can forecast a market, this market is going to go at least 2 to 3 times in next coming 5 years. So market size is increasing. Very reason of this prediction is a lot of investment is coming up in various sectors, automotive, steel structural, so many industries. A lot of investment is coming, and our machines, our products are catering to all of them. They are very basic products, and everybody needs it. So I can very well understand that this market will grow at least 3 times in next coming 5 years. So with this pace, we want to also continue our expansion projects, our development projects with that same pace to acquire more and more market share. I'm very happy to see this because, and I'm happy to share with you that this is going to go in a good way in next coming 5 years. Thank you so much.